Hello and welcome everyone to the Gold and Silver Club Week Ahead Commodity Report for the 12th to the 16th of December 2016. How to trade the FOMC meeting special, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. Today we will be analysing the latest developments in the commodity markets and discussing our outlook for the week ahead. The live session will be covering an FOMC meeting preview with a snapshot of the latest developments, how to trade the FOMC announcement, so trading ideas for the week ahead, and portfolio performance, so trading performance update using our exclusive research-driven strategies. Let me introduce you to the Gold and Silver Club. The Gold and Silver Club is the #1 commodities trading and investment coaching company. We are regarded as the go-to authority on commodities trading. As internationally respected experts, our analysis and our opinions on the metals, the energies and the agriculture markets, they are routinely sought by major financial television channels and publications which include Bloomberg, Reuters, CNBC, the Financial Times, the Wall Street Journal. Our team of experts has trained and mentored over 100,000 private traders from all over the world to increase their wealth and generate substantial income through commodities using our exclusive research-driven strategies. So for more information on the Gold and Silver Club and our expertise, please visit our website, which is www.thegoldandsilverclub.com. FOMC meeting preview, a snapshot of the latest developments. Now this week we have the FOMC statement, which will be on Wednesday the 14th of December. Fed officials will hold their final meeting of the year on December 13th and December the 14th. Uncertainty surrounding what economic policies President-elect Donald Trump would pursue prior to the US election made the chances of a Federal Reserve interest rate hike less likely. However, since President-elect Donald Trump's victory in November, market sentiment has rapidly shifted and traders are expecting an interest rate hike in December, and there's no fundamental reason for the Fed to disappoint. While no one knows the outcome of this week's meeting or how markets will respond, uncertainty tends to make markets highly volatile. Volatility equals opportunity, and the key is knowing how to use that to your advantage. Now, as we go into Wednesday's FOMC statement, the odds of the Federal Reserve going ahead with a rate hike has risen now to the highest this year. The odds are almost at 100%. So with that, we'll move over to the charts and we'll talk you through what potential trading opportunities we could see developing from the FOMC statement. How to trade the FOMC announcement, trading ideas for the week ahead. Now, one of the top markets that I would have on your radar as we go into Wednesday's FOMC statement is certainly going to be silver. You'll see very clearly where we do have a basing pattern on silver at the moment. Silver has rallied over 3% over the last week. We did manage to breach above the first level of resistance, which was sitting at $16.90 per ounce. We've broken above that zone. You can see where we had the pop actually last week on Wednesday to the upside. Now, what I would suggest you want to have a look at in the short term is where previous resistance is now becoming support for silver. So I suspect that we are forming a potential cup and handle formation here. Silver has been basing now over the last 3 weeks. We had a pop to the upside last week, and then into the close on Friday, you can see where silver has pulled back. So there is the potential for silver to consolidate ahead of the FOMC statement and pull back, but then I would watch out for buyers to come back in for a potential move higher. So one of the major reasons for this is, to a certain degree, the interest rate hike next week, if that does go ahead as predicted, has been priced into the market. We've seen the US dollar reach multi-year highs. We've also seen significant corrections more recently in gold and also silver, and a lot of the expectation for the Fed to go ahead and increase interest rate hikes has been priced into the market. So what does that mean? It means what we might see on the FOMC statement next week is an initial knee-jerk reaction where the US dollar may rally and you initially see gold and silver sell off, but I would be watching very closely to see if that does happen, where they get bought back into, especially silver. Silver remains up 19% in 2016, and I would look for pullbacks towards the $16 to $16.50 zone as major areas where we could see buyers come back into the market. And if that happens, you'll probably get a good opportunity to re-enter. Another scenario, of course, is that we do see the US dollar continue to rally off the back of the FOMC statement, and that provides pressure for gold and silver. If that was the case, I would look for sell short opportunities on gold in the short term. The next major level of support for gold at the moment is sitting around 1,140 US dollars per ounce. That could be a level that we do see gold break down to. At that level, I would again be very interested to see if buyers come back in at that zone, but certainly that could offer the potential for a 200-point sell short opportunity of a break of support if we do break the 1160 zone here and we see another flush out of the longs with the US dollar, a strengthening US dollar. So that is one also trade opportunity I would look out for too. Now again, going back to the potential for silver to rally from next week's FOMC statement, I would also not rule out that we could in fact just pick up momentum as we go into next week and breach back above the highs here, which are currently sitting at $17.24. If we do break above that level, silver then will be breaking 1 month highs, and there is a lot of clean air for silver to continue to follow through until it comes back up to the upper end of this resistance channel, which was last tested just before the US election. Now, of course, we will be trading this with all of our private members at the Gold and Silver Club. If you would like to find out the exact entry points, our profit targets, the full trade management of every single trade that we will be taking over the course of the FOMC statement, the full life cycle of those trades, and gain access to all of our services, which includes our live trading rooms, our weekly trading plans, all of our research, just make sure you stay on till the end of today's session and we will give you full details of how you can make an application and become a member of the Gold and Silver Club. The FOMC statement on Wednesday is going to be one of the biggest trading opportunities of this year, and certainly one of the biggest opportunities over December, and you don't want to miss it. Portfolio performance, trading performance update using our exclusive research-driven strategies. So over the last week, we've taken advantage of a number of trading opportunities. One of those has included palladium after it got into a very overbought condition, very simply selling it from resistance, taking it back down to support for 280 points profit. We've also taken advantage of the recent rally in natural gas, capitalizing with the 360-point breakout trade. And finally, on Friday, platinum also gave us an opportunity to take advantage of a sell short just from a key level of resistance here. Again, trading that back down to support for 210 points profit. Would you like access to highly profitable live trade ideas shared with you, ready to implement for instant results? Whether you're a new trader looking to develop a solid understanding of the markets and fast track your results, or even if you're an experienced trader and you're looking to take your trading to that next level, then the private members live trading room is definitely for you. As a member of the private members live trading room, you get access to exclusive live trading room webinars. You can watch the Gold and Silver Club expert traders analyze the commodity markets right in front of you, picking out highly profitable trade setup, sharing exact entry, exit points, profit and stop loss targets, as well as walk you through live trade ideas ready to implement for instant results. You get access to real-time trade notifications alerting you when to enter a trade. All notifications include exact details of where to enter, exit, place a stop loss. All trade notifications are sent out in advance notice to ensure you have plenty of time to get into every single position at the best possible price to maximize profits. And of course, you get access to our commodity research and market insights. So private members get exclusive access to our proprietary trading research and market insights to help you boost your win rate and ensure you're on the right side of every trade. Our trading research is guaranteed to give you the ultimate edge in the commodity markets and fast track your results. The private members live trading room includes exclusive weekly live trading room webinars, live trade setups ready to implement for instant results. You get real-time trade notifications by email and SMS so you never miss a profitable trade. You get exact details of where to enter, exit and place your stop loss on each trade, a weekly trading plan with a watch list of trade ideas for the week ahead, live trade support to help you successfully through each trade, and institutional level trading research and commodity insights to give you the ultimate edge in the markets. To get exclusive access to our private members live trading room, please go to www.jointhegoldensilverclub.com. Complete the application form and we'll get in touch with you ASAP. So with that, we wish you a fantastic week, good trading, and of course we very much look forward to working with those of you who will be making an application and joining us at the Gold and Silver Club.